Since half of our family is away, we get bored at home, so we decided to go to Istanbul and roam around for the day. We got a bit hungry from the drive and decided to stop for pizza. We only ordered 2 because we're just 4 people. I made a time lapse of the streets of Istanbul because it is literally so beautiful. I love roaming around in Istanbul. We reached the famous Bosphorus Bridge, also known as the July 15th Martyrs Bridge. The story behind this bridge is very sad. Also, look at that beautiful scene. Camera does not do justice to its beauty. Istanbul is so pretty, I can't get enough of it. We stopped at Katakoy to get some baba drinks. Oh my God, look at that line. Finally got our drinks. It's already dark now, so we have to go home. Today we are going for picnic, and we also got Coco with us. We reached the picnic area. We're trying to get Coco to come out and play so that he can enjoy nature. We brought homemade mandi, and that's our picnic setup. Subhanallah, the weather is really good today. Brought his food because this is his picnic as well, but he's too scared to come out and eat. The mandi looks really tasty, mashallah. I like onion in my mandi. Coco is still very scared to come out and eat. We gave up and kept his food inside. We got some cheesecakes from Starbucks. Let's try them all and rate them together. How did you like the chocolate one, Ahmed? How much do you rate this one? How much do you rate the cream cheesecake? How much do you rate the chocolate one? Yeah, me too. It was really fun out here, but now we have to leave. This one is getting too close. Look how relieved Coco is to be back home.